Have you seen one of these on your gas line? Well, if you have, then you have to call somebody to figure out where the leak is. So the gas company uses a different setup, but a contractor will come out with something like this or similar to this. It's an ounce and inch gauge. It doesn't tell you the psi. It's much less. It requires much less pressure. So buy this setup for, as a contractor, we buy this setup for about $250. Just this setup here, and you have to figure out how to get into the gas line itself. I end up using a 1/4 inch nipple, brass nipple, with a reducing bushing. But I put bubbles, soap bubbles, that I frequently buy at a contractor store as well. And I checked everything, and I did it twice, and then decided, well, better go down in the basement. So that's where we're going now. This empty house, walking through the grass with the rocks. We'll go down here real quick. Yes, well, looks like I locked myself out, didn't I? Okay, well, let's pause this first. Okay, I'm back recording again, down in the basement. When you're looking for a gas leak, you need something that will find bubbles. So you spray and spray and spray every crevice, everything. And then you can see this gas line just goes and goes and goes. So you have to do a rejoin. And the gas company will usually turn the valves off to the appliance. And they'll check to see if you have a leak before the appliance. And this one did. So when I came out here, this valve was still open. So I was able to isolate the problem. After checking everything like 3 times, it can be really elusive. I sprayed some bubbles here, and I noticed I had a leak there. So you can see that it doesn't seem to be doing anything but just bubbling everywhere. But I put a little bit more pressure out there, and I found the leak right there. Right there. And it definitely took me some time. See how it popped right there? So it just barely popped. See how that does that? See? See? There it goes. See? It's filling up. See? You have to be there to catch that. We'll try doing that on every one of them. That's why you pay someone to do it. So anyway, I'm going to cut this out, put a union in here, and then go back to the gas line and make sure I got it. We'll check outside, make sure I got it right. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix this thing.